Hello, You Are Epic brings to you Magical Mondays. You Are Epic is a platform for self transformation. You Are Epic is for those who would like to realize their potential and use it to their best. Magical Mondays is a soft nudge that you can make this week a magical one by protecting your energies for better experiences. Have you ever observed that we get consumed in someone's words and some nasty comments or situations and start to behave in a fashion we ourselves do not approve of later? This is a sign of our subconscious overpowering our conscious mind. Mostly, when in conversation with others, we flow in the flow of conversation to show our solidarity. Remember, the energy of mind is the essence of life. Another aspect of energy depletion is overthinking. It is an outcome of overinformation that we continue to receive from social media, news channels, or sources that do not concern us but are around us, like lots of posts and messages or gossips. Whatever we read or hear, we will imbibe that knowingly or unknowingly. The unwanted information corrupts our mind and we end up using them in our responses without actually knowing it. When we continue to consume the unwanted information, we push ourselves to psychosomatic disorders. These disorders affect our aura in a way that anyone crossing our aura will be infected by our thinking. Hi there, this is Dr. Urvashi Yashroy, your transformational coach on You Are Epic. I urge you to stop and reroute. Conserve your energy for something better in life. Change your pattern of thinking and attract only what you want. Do not consume information that is not pertinent to your being. Reading and listening to news that is negative first thing in the morning or checking your mobile as you get up are signs of depletion of pure and divine, precious, fresh morning whiff of good energy. Start your day with a positive note, a prayer of gratitude towards the superior being for giving you a new day to create beauty around you. Respect the wellness of your body and meditate to a better you. This will lead to a relaxed start of the day and you will be healthier by body, mind, and soul, thus leaving the psychosomatic disorders at bay. Protect the aura around you with a calm and peaceful state and mentally connect with your loved ones. Keeping them in your mind, connect with Supreme Being for their well being and happiness. Cocoon them with a protective energy so that no negative vibe can reach them. Follow 3 simple rules daily. Cocoon yourself with the meditative power so that undesirable elements have no access to your divine being. Vibrate at higher frequency so that unwanted lower frequencies do not entangle with you. And become really aware of what is worth your energy. It is your divine right and your spiritual duty to protect your energies from unwanted elements. For more such magical revelations, log into You Are Epic on your Insta handle YouAreEpic11. Like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Have a magically energized week.